Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create an inactive channel on Discord. So I'm just going to create a channel by pressing this arrow and press create channel, and I'm just going to do a voice one, and I'm just going to name it Duck Sleepover because that's cute. Press create channel and go up here. Go to server settings, and then in inactive channel you're just going to choose the channel, and you can choose the inactive timeout. It's going to move the person to the channel once they're like idle for like about 30 minutes. So I'm just going to choose the 30 minutes one. You can choose 1 minute, 5 minutes, and even 15 minutes or an hour, but I'm just going to do 30 minutes, and I'm going to press save changes. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!